Goodness. So, there's a lot of medicine, guys. Para sa ngipon. No, ang dami. Dati sa antibiotic labs, no? Amoxicillin. 500 yun. Nexalarm. So, para mawala ng hubag siya ngipon.
It's so kind of noisy.
So,
You're screaming.
you should never.
No, because of the pain. You know, the combination of pain and.
Lucas always pass away. Ano ang gamot niya, guys, no? Oh, ang laki naman ito, gabi. It's so big.
If you eat the medicine, you don't need to eat the breakfast.
And then, you need to take this on time, so no more. My goodness. I don't want to experience what you experience now. So scary. Ganun kasi medicine, guys. This is, how many days? For how many days is it?
Antibiotics.
7 days?
10 days.
10 days? It's not 7 days.
3 times 10.
Guys, ang ganito ang medicine nila dito expensive.
Oh.
What is that? Huh? Cheap lang?
Actually, the prescription was nearly the same expensive than
Ang mahal dito is ang reseta. That's a
the,
pag magpa-reseta
the
ka.
prescription cost me 35. I mean, it's also with the consultation
Oo,
of the
pero
doctor,
ang-
right?
ang
5
medicine-
minutes talking with the doctor or what. Okay.
Ang medicine hindi siya ganun kamahal.
The medicine was 42 euros, like 2,000 pesos.
Maganda talaga dito, guys. Mahal tanan, pero laban. So, that's good at least. Kasi hindi ka pwede magbili dito na walang reseta talaga. It's very bawal. They're
Yeah,
very
you can
careful.
get it here.
Yeah.
Antibiotics.
They're very careful to giving a medicine. Not in the Philippines, they can
They give you.
you can buy in the
You give you antibiotics if you
pabili kag amoxicillin sa mga tinda-tindahan lang. They're
if you have
really-
spicy food.
Yeah, and then sa mga mga butika unlicensed lang, yung walang license na butika sa Pilipinas makabili ka doon ng mga antibiotic, pero dito bawal talaga. Eko. So init gamay. So it's lightning na. Earlier it seems like it's gonna rain. Paulit naman. We're finished. Oh my goodness, early in the morning. It's okay? You okay? Ito yung bata.